case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit dove into the digital frontier with Zeran versus America Online Inc. back in 1997, a case with far-reaching implications for the Internet as we know it today. Kenneth Zeran was the unfortunate victim of harmful messages posted by an anonymous third party on AOL's message boards. Zeran found himself on the receiving end of a cascade of threatening phone calls as a result. Zeran took legal action against AOL, arguing that they should be held accountable for the defamatory messages posted on their platforms. In the trailblazing case, the district court initially sided with AOL, drawing heavily on the Communications Decency Act of 1996, CDA, a legislation enacted to protect service providers from liability arising from third-party content. The case was brought before the appeals court after Zeran stood his ground, arguing that the CDA did not apply to his claims since the derogatory postings predated the law's enactment. The appeals court, however, upheld the district court's verdict. The court underscored that the protections laid out in the CDA did, in fact, cover AOL, thereby exempting it from liability. Moreover, the court ruled that the CDA applies to lawsuits filed after the law's enactment, regardless of when the infringement occurred. The ruling has far-reaching implications for online freedom of speech. The court decided that preserving the free market and unfettered state of the Internet, as fostered by platforms like AOL, outweighed the reasoning behind imposing liability for third-party content. Zeran's previously established rights and liabilities remained unaffected by Section 230 of the CDA, the court clarified. More than 2 decades later, the historic case touches on a debate that still continues today, balancing Internet freedom with accountability.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.